Understanding monomial term in mathematics. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to dive into a mathematical concept, the monomial term. Whether you're a math enthusiast or just curious about this term, this video will help you understand what a monomial term is in a simple and clear way. A monomial term is a basic building block in algebra. It consists of two parts, coefficients and variables. The coefficient is a number, and the variable is represented by a letter, like x or y. For instance, in 4x, 4 is the coefficient and x is the variable. A monomial term can have more than one variable, such as 3xy, but it does not have addition or subtraction signs within it. To further understand, let's look at some examples. Take 5x squared. Here, 5 is the coefficient, x is the variable, and squared means x is squared. Another example is minus 7xyz. In this case, minus 7 is the coefficient, and xyz are the variables. These examples show that monomial terms can have different numbers of variables and different powers. It's also important to know what doesn't qualify as a monomial term. For example, 4x plus 5 is not a monomial because it has an addition sign. Similarly, x, y is not a monomial because it involves division of variables. I hope this video has helped you understand what a monomial term is in mathematics. Remember, it's a term with a coefficient and variables, without any addition or subtraction within it. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to bringing you more useful content in our next videos.